Hello guys, this is Jamiu Olede from I Am Patrol. Welcome to my Playboost review. Let's get started. Playboost is a new software that rectifies the video autoplay issues in our browsers, and it's 100% compliant with all the rules of these browsers, and it will help you to get more views and leads and sales from your videos, and that's going to be in 3 steps, and we are going to cover everything involved in this video. I need to let you know that this is going to be a review from a user of the software because I've been able to get access to Playboost and I've been using it for some days now. And also, this is going to be an honest review, so you'll be able to decide if this software is a product that you can spend money on and you're going to get the return on investment, because I'm going to go right in and I'm going to show you everything that is involved so you'll be able to make the right decision. Okay, I also need to let you know that if you buy Playboost via my review, I'm going to get a small commission from the sale, which is not going to affect the price you are going to pay to the product creator. Okay, for doing that, I'm going to show you an appreciation and I'm going to give you access to my new Facebook group lead generation software known as Group Leads. Apart from that, there are some other bonuses that will be provided by the creators of Playboost, and as you can see from the screen, these are some of the bonuses you are going to get if you buy Playboost via my link either below this video or on the webpage on my website at impatrol.com. Okay, and that's that for the bonuses. Let's get right in and start the review properly. Okay, so Playboost, as I have said, it's a software that solves the problem of videos not being autoplayed when someone lands on your web page or your landing page. Let's say you have a sales page where you have a video sales letter, and when anyone gets into the sales page, you want the video sales letter to be played automatically, so it's going to catch the attention of the visitor. But unfortunately, with the updates of the browsers last year, this has been disabled, and this is exactly what Playboost has come to solve for us. Okay, so I will start this review by letting you know how easy it is to use Playboost. Okay. Setting up Playboost on your website is not complicated, especially if you're able to follow all the instructions I'm going to lay down in this video. And before the end of the video, I'm also going to demonstrate how it works and how you can install the software onto your website and set it up on your videos on your website. Okay, when you make a purchase of Playboost, the product creators are going to send you your access details, so you'll be able to use it to log into playboost.co/dashboard. Okay, and as you can see, this is the dashboard, and then we have the settings and every other thing, as you can see. So I'm going to go back and show you the steps. The first step you need to do is to log in to the Playboost dashboard, as you can see over here, and then after that you have to click on create. Okay, so over here you'll be able to choose your video platform. Are you using YouTube or Vimeo or Videlo or Witsia or Amazon S3? So, and you can also rename the video title. So I'm going to name the video title as Playboost review demo video or something like that. You can save. When you save, I'll be able to choose my platform is YouTube, and then I'll go over to the video. I'm going to copy the URL of the video, and I'm going to come back over here, and then the next thing you need to do is you click on next step. Okay, as you can see, the video has been fetched over here to the dashboard of Playboost, and you have different options over here. You have overlay, image, text, emoji, button, and then you have the installation code. Okay, so I'm going to go back and let you know the next thing you need to do is you need to apply your animated thumbnail to the video. So, and that is what you are going to do now. You can come over here. You see you have a solid color, and you have different patterns. There are up to 49 patterns you can use. You can select it like this. As you can see, you can adjust the transparency, how you want it to look. And personally, I prefer solid colors, and I'm going to make sure that the transparency is a little bit low, and then you can choose your colors the way you like it to be. You can do all those kind of things. So when you do that, you need to always save your settings, and that is for the overlay feature. And then we can apply images to our video. Let's say you have a custom image you've done for the video. You can upload it, and then you drag it over here anywhere you want it to show up, either below here, above, or anywhere. Or you can search for images. Let me see, funny images. Okay, you see the images over here. Let's say I want to just choose this. You can have it like this, or anyhow you want it. You can also make use of GIFs. You can search, let's say, something like funny stuff. So you can always put in whatever you like. Let me do a research, and I'm going to put in something like arrow. Okay, let me make use of this GIF. I'm going to put it somewhere around here. Okay, so you can save, and then if we come outside, we'll be able to see text. So you'll be able to add text on top of your thumbnail. Now let's apply text, something like let's say click to play. Okay, as you can see it right here, you can always put it anywhere you want. You can apply your color. Okay, you can select the font size, the text transform. Do you want it to be in uppercase? And one of the most important feature is this animation, and you can click. As you can see the way it's shaking, you can pause, you can rotate, you can bounce it, you can bounce it from the left, and all those kind of things. So I'm going to choose one, and I think I like it to bounce from the right. Okay, and that is selected. You can let it be in the center, so you can bold, you can underline, and I'm going to save that. Then you can add emojis, any kind of emoji you feel you want. So let's say I want this, so I'm going to click it like this, and it's going to show up here. Then lastly, we need to add play button. So you click on it like this. So you have different type of play buttons here. So let me choose this particular one, and I'm going to put it right here. So I want to centralize it. So that means I need to also make sure that this is also central, and then I'm going to centralize this also. Okay, so I can increase the size. Let me increase the size so that it's going to be conspicuous. I'm going to drag this one over here. So you can see this one I can also animate. Let's say for example I want to shake it. I can select that. You can also animate this any way you want. Okay, so you can see the image, the animation, the play button, and also the emoji. So all you have to do is just save, and once this is done, there are two ways of applying the animated thumbnail onto your website. Let's say if your website is an HTML website, place this code just below the body section of your website. Any page where you want the animated thumbnail to show up on your video, on that page you just place this particular installation script just before the closing body of the web page. Okay, and also if you are using WordPress, just like I'm demonstrating over here, all you have to do is you need to go over to settings page. There are two steps that are involved. First is you need to go over to WP plugin and you need to generate a new API key, and when you click over here, the API key is going to be generated automatically, and you notice the status is going to be active. When everything has not been set up correctly, the status is going to be inactive, but when everything is okay, it's working, the status is going to be active. Okay, then the next step is you need to download the WordPress plugin for Playboost, and you're going to click over here. When you click that, the plugin is going to be automatically downloaded, as you can see over here. Then the next thing I need to do is I need to go over to my WordPress website, and I'm going to click on add new plugin. When you get over here, you need to upload the plugin. So I'm going to select the plugin and I'm going to click on Playboost, and I'm going to install now. Now you need to activate the plugin, and then once that is done, you see a menu beside here and you click on it. So you need to provide your Playboost API key. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to copy, and then I will come back over here and paste it. Then you need to save the API key, and that's everything you need to do. So if you come back over here, you see if we refresh this page, this is going to turn to active, and that means everything is correctly installed. And then that's not going to be the end of everything. So we need to go over to the page where we want our animated thumbnail to be effected on the video. I'm going to edit this post because I have a video right over here that I've created the thumbnail for before, and if I refresh it now, you notice that this is the initial thumbnail. The animated thumbnail that I created is not going to work again, and the new one that I just created now is the one that is going to work. As you can see, nothing is affected. This is the same video that I used earlier, and all I have to do is just to come down, and I'm going to come back to the video. This is the video. So the first thing I need to do is I need to apply the Playboost shortcode onto my web page. And how do I do that? All you have to do is you need to come over here. You see Playboost, and then you select the name of the video you want to apply on this page, as you can see. So this is the new Playboost shortcode. Now we need to delete the initial one we created, and I need to just to update the post. So you can do this for virtually all the videos on your website. You just have to add the videos and apply the thumbnails from your Playboost backend, and then after then you just come over here. If you are using WordPress, you just apply the short code on the page, and then that's all. You are good to go. And I'm going to refresh this now. As you can see, this is the initial thumbnail, and now if we scroll down, this is the attention grabbing thumbnail we just created, as you can see. So when visitors they scroll through your content, they will be able to see all this animation, and they'll be attracted to the video, and they won't have any option than to click on the video and also watch what is in there. Okay, so that's that. And the essence of going through all the setup is to let you know how simple it is to set up your videos on Playboost, and also I want you to see how neat the platform is and how the user experience is. Everything is organized in a very clean interface, and with this you should know that Playboost is a very well presented software, and it's very easy to use. Okay, now let's go back to the next criteria of our review, and that has to do with the support of the team. Okay, so initially when I started working on the software, there is this particular place where I've been able to set up everything, and then I didn't embed my video on this page, and I thought by just using the shortcode everything is going to work. So the video was not displaying, so I need to get in touch with support. But I was surprised, and that was the second day of the launch of the software, and when I contacted them, within 1 to 2 hours the support was able to get my issues resolved. So when it comes to support of the product, Playboost, the guys behind Playboost are offering great support for the product. Okay, so also let's go over to the quality and the price of the software. As at the time of recording this video, Playboost is selling at $29. Okay, and when it was launched, it sold at $27, meaning that the price is gradually increasing, probably every hour or something, or every sale. So if you want to get Playboost, I will advise you to pause this video now and make use of my link to get the software, and I'm going to provide you my Facebook group lead generation software and other bonuses that are supplied by the vendor of the product. So when it comes to the price, for this to sell for $29, $27, $29, $30, I think this is a great software. But for those who are late to act in buying the product, it's most likely that the price is going to continue to increase till the end of the 7-day launch of the software. Okay, so who is this software for? I believe this software is a product with a mass appeal, because virtually anyone who is marketing online is going to be needing video for their marketing, and you know, the more the video views, the more leads you'll be able to get, the more you'll be able to convince your visitors to convert them into leads, and then generate the sale from the visit. Okay, Playboost is for everyone that wants to get more views, more leads, and more sales from their videos. Then let's go over to the review bonuses again. If you buy Playboost via my link, you get access to my yet to launch Facebook group lead generation software known as Group Leads. You also have access to other bonuses from the creators of the product. Okay, and then finally, based on my access to the software and the usage, I highly recommend Playboost because it's a great software, it's a great product, and it will help anyone that wants to get more views, more attentions from their visitors, and eventually get more leads and sales for their product. Thank you for watching my Playboost review. Bye.